Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a story as old as time itself, the fascinating, complex relationship between wolves and men. Forget everything you thought you knew, because we're going on a journey that spans millennia, from ancient forests to modern conservation efforts. It's a tale of fear, admiration, conflict, and ultimately, an undeniable connection. So grab a comfy seat, because this is going to be an incredible deep dive. For centuries, wolves have been portrayed in two very different lights. On one hand, they're the villains of countless fairy tales, the big bad wolf, lurking in the shadows, a symbol of wild, untamed danger. This narrative runs deep in our collective consciousness, shaping how many of us perceive these magnificent creatures. They were often seen as a direct threat to livestock and even human lives, especially in agricultural societies where survival depended on protecting one's flock. This fear led to widespread hunting and persecution, pushing wolf populations to the brink in many regions. But on the other hand, wolves are also revered. Indigenous cultures, for instance, often view them as powerful spiritual guides, symbols of loyalty, intelligence, and family bonds. They're seen as teachers of the wilderness, embodying resilience and a deep connection to nature. Think about it. A wolf pack operates with incredible cooperation, communication, and a clear social structure. There's a lot we can learn from their dynamics, their dedication to their pack, and their innate understanding of their environment. This duality is what makes their story with humanity so compelling. This relationship took a monumental turn around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago when a branch of wolves embarked on a path that would change both species forever. They began to associate with humans, perhaps scavenging around early human settlements. Over generations, these braver, more curious wolves gradually became tamer, adapting to human presence and eventually evolving into the first dogs. Yes, your beloved furry companion is a direct descendant of the wolf. This domestication process was a game changer, giving humans hunting partners, protectors, and loyal companions, while dogs gain a reliable food source and a safer existence. It's truly one of the most successful interspecies collaborations in history. Yet, despite this incredible bond with their domesticated cousins, wild wolves continued to face immense pressure. As human populations grew and expanded into wolf territories, conflicts escalated. Habitats were destroyed, prey animals became scarcer, and wolves were often eradicated from vast areas. This history of persecution has left a profound impact, not just on wolf populations, but on the ecosystems they once inhabited. When a keystone predator like the wolf is removed, the entire balance of nature can be thrown into disarray. However, in recent decades, our understanding and appreciation for wolves have undergone a dramatic shift. Thanks to scientific research and conservation efforts, we now recognize the vital role wolves play in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They help control herbivore populations, prevent overgrazing, and even influence the flow of rivers by changing animal behavior. The reintroduction of wolves into Yellowstone National Park in the 1990s is a brilliant example of ecological restoration, demonstrating how their return revitalized the entire landscape. It's a powerful testament to the idea that nature, when given a chance, can heal itself, and wolves are often a crucial part of that healing process. Today, the challenge is finding a way for wolves and humans to coexist peacefully. It's about education, dispelling myths, and implementing effective management strategies that protect both wolves and local communities. It's about recognizing their intrinsic value, not just as a part of nature, but as a living legacy of the wild that still thrives within our modern world. Understanding their behavior, respecting their boundaries, and supporting conservation initiatives are key steps toward ensuring a future where these majestic animals can continue to roam. The story of wolves and men is far from over. It's a continuous narrative of evolution, adaptation, and reconciliation. From feared predators to revered ancestors of our best friends, wolves hold a mirror to our own journey, reflecting our fears, our curiosity, and our capacity for both destruction and admiration. By learning to live alongside them, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the natural world. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the world of wolves and men. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating explorations into history and nature. Your support helps us keep these stories alive. See you next time.